Hello everyone, Ethan here. I got this Rubik's Cube about 2 years ago and practiced solving it because I was inspired by a friend who could do it. My best time is around 45 seconds, but I'm a little rusty because I haven't done it in a while. And it looks really cool in time-lapse mode. There's tons of videos on YouTube to show you how to solve the cube. Check them out and you'll be solving a cube like a pro in no time. Took me about a day to learn how to do it, and some practice to get the algorithms down to a minute. Hope you enjoy the video. Have an awesome day.